As much as we love camping, we love popcorn. And lately I saw a video how somebody is doing it in the Omnia oven. So today I will try it out and see how everything goes. It's happening. Slowly, but it is. They're popping up. Woo! They're falling out. Ooh. I don't think that's good. Oh, there is some on the here. I think I need to stop or to move them. Yes, I don't want it's burning. They're burning. Actually, there are lots of ones here, if you can see. So maybe it's better to stop, not to ruin the Omnia. Yeah, it's burning inside. I will move it. I didn't know that they are burning like this. Fire! They're not stopping to burn. Oh my god! Actually, this is not what I expected. I mean that they started to burn. Yeah, I was expecting that they would jump out, but I was not expecting that they will start to burn and burn like this. I hope that the Omnia lid will still be okay and that I can clean all the mess here and as well the mess on the stove itself. So yeah, this was not a good idea at all. Those who popped up look really good and I think that they will be delicious. That's right. Yeah, they're really good. But this mess, no, I wouldn't advise you to do popcorn with the Omnia oven. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.